Are you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello and welcome to Rhythm. I'm Shreya Savage and you're watching our special segment, Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and join our ever-growing community of career enthusiasts. KR Mangalam World School Gurugram has invited applications from qualified and experienced candidates for the positions of PGT teachers, TGT teachers, PRT teachers, activity teachers and admin staff. Interested candidates can send their resume to southcity.career@krmangalam.com. ICFAI University Jaipur requires competent and suitably qualified individuals for the positions of Associate Professor and Assistant Professor for its constituent ICFAI School of Liberal Arts, Jaipur. Interested candidates can send their CV indicating the post applied for and domain in the subject line within 10 days through email to registrar@iujaipur.edu.in. Heritage Institute of Medical Sciences in Varanasi requires an emergency medical officer. The qualifications required are MBBS or MD with 5 to 10 years of experience post MBBS. Interested candidates can submit their resumes by hand to the HR office of HIMS or mail them to career@heritageims.com or hr@heritageims.com. Avalara, a cloud technology company, is hiring software engineers for remote positions across India. For more details, please visit the official website careers.avalara.com/India. Sagarmala Development Company Limited, a Schedule B CPSE under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, requires qualified professionals for the positions of General Manager Finance and Accounts, Manager Projects, Assistant Manager Projects and Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts, and Executive Projects. For complete details, please visit their website www.sdclindia.com. Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, has invited applications from dynamic candidates for the post of Assistant Professor in the School of Artificial Intelligence and Data Engineering. For more details regarding eligibility criteria and other information, please visit www.iitrpr.ac.in. IDBI Bank is looking for a Chief Data Officer on a contract basis. For eligibility criteria and other details, please visit their website www.idbibank.in. Indian Institute of Management, Bodh Gaya, has invited applications for several faculty and non-faculty positions. For complete details, please visit www.imbg.ac.in. Indian Bank is recruiting specialist officers on a contractual basis for several posts including Associate Manager, Senior Officer, Assistant Vice President and Deputy Vice President in different specializations. For detailed advertisement and online applications, you can visit the bank's website www.indianbank.in. DBS Global University, Dehradun is looking for candidates to fill various positions. Leadership positions include Vice Chancellor, Dean and Director. Faculty positions available are professors, associate professors and assistant professors in different schools. Additionally, the university also requires managers in several departments. For complete details, please visit their official website dgu.ac. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notifications ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.